Everybody loves fresh salads, but who has the time or patience to prepare them? You cut, wash, and dry the lettuce, and that's just the start. You slice, dice, cube, and grate. Now you need to wrap it, seal it, store it, and by the time you serve it, everyone's lost their appetite. Not anymore. Introducing Salad Chef, the revolutionary salad making system that makes the world's greatest salads as fast as 1, 2, 3. Slicing, spin it, seal it, store it, and serve it all in one.
Hey everybody, today's show is all about fast and easy food preparation.
Oh, this isn't fast or easy. And look at all this stuff. I've got graters, I've got a food processor.
Got a whole set of knives here.
I know.
You've got strainers, you've got a chopper. What are you, starting a restaurant? Well now, Elizabeth, there is one product that will replace everything you have right here. Introducing the revolutionary Salad Chef from Genius. Mix salad in 3 seconds. Don't believe it? Watch this. Romaine,
Whoa.
1. Iceberg, 2.
Oh.
Radicchio, the whole head, 3. All right there in the basket.
Look, the Salad Chef is also a high-speed salad spinner with 2 baskets. One for lettuce and your large veggies, and a smaller one for berries, herbs, shrimp, you know, the small stuff.
You just rinse the food right in the basket, let it drain, then place the basket back inside the container. You add the spinner lid, lock it in place, and now you simply crank the handle. The Salad Chef uses centrifugal high-speed spin technology that literally spins the food dry in a matter of seconds. There's even a convenient strainer bit to drain out the water without spills or splatters.
Now, pop off the spinner lid, place the food in the bowl, pop on and lock the slicing lid, and start adding the good stuff.
With the Salad Chef, you can prepare just about anything.
And everything imaginable at lightning speed.
Radicchio, hard-boiled eggs, melon, strawberries, romaine, bell pepper, cucumber, mozzarella cheese, onion, leeks, celery, ham, tomato, apple, zucchini, potato, turkey, carrot, iceberg lettuce, pineapple, and red cabbage.
So if you want to slice it, dice it, or cube it,
Julienne it, shred it, or even grate it.
no matter how you slice it,
Nothing does it faster or better
than the one and only Salad Chef.
Here's how to order.
Introducing Salad Chef, the world's fastest salad making system. The spin and slicing lids lock into place for sturdy countertop slicing. The slicing blades are made of razor-sharp, never-dull, hardened stainless steel. The containers are crystal clear, ultra-durable, shatterproof, and kitchen-tested to last for years. And with the Salad Chef, cleanup is a snap. Just push the button and the food press pushes remnants right into the bowl. Salad Chef, the world's fastest salad-making system.